Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Dear students, I hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well. Welcome to our online platform of B.G.S Home School. Here I am Muhammad Faruk Hossain, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School. Now I am going to conduct a Bangladesh and Global Studies class for the students of class 6, and our today's topic is multiple choice question from 1 to 20. So come to the board first. Dear students, our lecture number 22. Number 1 M.C.Q. Where are the major towns of Indus civilization? You know that the Indus civilization's major towns were in Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. Number 2, which one is the first urban civilization? Which one is the first urban civilization? The first urban civilization was Indus civilization. What has been found in Mohenjo-daro? What has been found in Mohenjo-daro? A large bathing space was found in Mohenjo-daro. Then number 4, what is the another name of Pundranagar? What is the another name of Pundranagar? Mohistangad is the another name of Pundranagar. You know that at the time of reading chapter 2, I told you this. And number 5, when was the archaeological digging started in Wari-Vateshwar? You know that the archaeological digging started in Wari-Vateshwar in 2000 AD. Okay, number 6, in which river Mohistangad was found? You know that at the time of reading book, I told you that the Mohistangad was found on the bank of river Kartua. Okay. Number 6, Fakir Mojnu Shah fought against whom? Fakir Mojnu Shah, you know that Fakir Mojnu Shah fought against the British Emperor. What is the river bank of Egypt? What is the river bank of Egypt? You know that the river Nile, the longest river of the world, is in the Egypt is in the bank of this river Nile. Number 9, ancient world civilization developed. Ancient world civilization developed where? In Europe continent, or in Africa continent, or in Asia continent. Which one of the following is correct? 1 and 2, 1 and 3, 2 and 3, 1, 2, 3 both. You know that 1, 2, 3 both. Now read the following, expect and answer question number 10 and 11. Mr. Kamrul has lived in a country of Europe for a long time. Here in 800 BC, an urban civilization developed. The structure of two important city-states of this civilization were completely different. Number 10, question number, which urban civilization has been indicated in the except? You know that Greek civilization expected here. Now number 11, that urban civilization's characteristics was what? Was built in midst of cliffs, played an important role in the field of science, introduced agriculture. So from this we know that this option 1 and 2 was built in the midst of cliffs and played important role in the field of science. So the answer would be A, 1 and 2. What was the main source of income in the Roman civilization? You know that the Roman civilization, the main source of income was what? Business. Then read the following passage and answer question number 13 and 14. Shoel went to the United States of America after completing his study. He went there for a good job. His family lives in Bangladesh. He is only earning member of his family. He earns well in the United States of America. Okay. So number 13, how many types of migration are there? You know that there are two types of migration, internal migration and international migration. Okay, now number 14, what type of migration did Sohail had in the class? I discussed about this, so it is very easy for you that although he shifted from Bangladesh to USA, another country, so this migration is between country to country. So dear students, it's clear to you that it's international migration. Okay, and if it was the migration between within a country, that means from one town to another town, one town to another village, or one village to another village, or one village to another town, then it would be internal migration. Okay, number 15, what does demography mean? At the time of reading of the passage of that chapter, I told you that demography is divided into two words, demos and graphy. Demos means people and graphy means measurement. So population science is the answer. Okay, number 6, most people of Bangladesh yet married in which age? In which age? You know that in early age or in tender age. Okay, in which countries birth rates are high? In which countries birth rates are high? Those countries which people are very much poor, they live below under the poverty line, these countries birth rates are very much high. Number 18, which one is correct for rise and fall of birth rate? Which one is right? You know that when climate is responsible for rise and fall of birth rate. Okay, number 19, which things make common people migration? It's important. Which thing make common people migration? You know that lack of education. If any areas people have some lackings of education, then they are bound to have migration, okay, from another place. Which act is punishable offense in our country? Which act is punishable offense in our country? You know that early marriage is the punishable offense in our country. For girls in our country, 18 is the lowest age for getting married, and for boys 21 is the lowest age for getting married. Dear students, I hope you all have understood all the MCQ, and for your better understanding you must go to your textbook, read it carefully, and up to that, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.